Okay, people, we're doing another job here. We're in Scripps Ranch, California, and I'm trying to do this like the guy who's trying to sell you a car for $19.95. Go on down and check out our rocks, baby. We got the best rocks you've ever seen. Anyway, this is the weird version. This is our remodel we're doing here in Scripps Ranch, as I stated before, and this is a project that doesn't quite do it. It's a little too lumpy bumpy. We got marshmallows going on. I call them the Fred Flintstone kind of rocks, and I a lot of times run across them here in San Diego and I have to fix them, and they require different strategies. I think these are pretty much a cement truck or two just blown on there and molded around. So it's going to be a lot of jackhammering that we're going to be doing, and going to remove some from the middle right there so we can kind of create a water course where the water comes down and is actually eroded into the hill. These are just too flat and too boxy and square. That surface right there is completely vertical. It's completely flat.